Hey everyone, today's project is letter R for the hashtag ABC April 2025 challenge. I call it a ModuDex, a Rolodex style mini junk journal with flips and folds and painterly charm. I've included rub-ons, ribbon, reinforcer, and of course, a Rolodex as the base. This is a shorter, speedier video to help you jump in without all the fluff. You'll need cardstock, glue, a Rolodex card or template, and printables if you want to decorate like I did. Feel free to use your stash. And I also used a die cut and some punches as well. Here's a breakdown of every piece I used. It's written on this jumbo tag. Go ahead and pause or screenshot this now if you'd like to reference the measurements while you work. Once you have everything cut, it goes through super fast. Let's jump in. Now I want to share how I actually add the tip and flap onto the junk journal page. But I have a question for you. Am I the only one running out of space in this challenge? I think I might have to create another journal with a wider spine so that everything fits nice and tightly. But this is super fun, super easy. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Here are some of the pockets that I want to share with you and some of the writing spots. It's just packed with all sorts of little spaces to journal your thoughts. And I think it turned out pretty cool. I hope this will inspire you to give it a try. Tag me and let me know what you create. This is all for now. Thank you so much for your time. And until our next prompt, happy creating.